My dear students, please subscribe my channel to get the exercise material, study material of English subject. Through this video you will know about topsy-turvy land. Okay, topsy-turvy land, and it's very easy for you and you can understand the entire chapter. First of all, I will say word meaning. Topsy-turvy, according to your poem, according to your chapter, upside down. Pleasure boats, boats used for fun and relaxation. Grand, wonderful luxury. There are many questions also. You all have to know about question answer. First question for you. When do children go to a school in topsy-turvy land? Very good question for you and you know, I think you know. Children of topsy-turvy land go to a school at night. Second question for you. If children go to a school at night, when do you think they sleep? Wow, very good, very good. If children go to a school at night, naturally they would sleep during the day. Third question for you. Where the entrances of the houses in such a land? Entrances of the houses in such a land are the back, not in front. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. Entrances at the back. Fourth question for you. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? If buses travel on the sea, then obviously the boats would travel up the down the street. That means you can say uh, buses travel on the sea, on water body, then boats will come on the road. Here for you, read these lines from the poem and answer the questions. You have to read, then you can answer. You pay for what you never got. Explain this line. Normally we give money or pay when we want to buy something, but in topsy-turvy land it happens the other way. If you pay for something, you don't get that, instead you get something else. You have seen in your area also, if you're in your home, whenever you are going to market with your mummy papa, then you have to pay something, you have to pay money whenever you want to purchase, you want to buy something. Next for you, how would you react if this happened to you? I would be very disappointed if it would happen to me. I would order something which I don't want and get ultimately what I want. Obviously, I think you also want, whenever you are going to pay some money, you are going to pay something, then you will demand, we have to demand, if paying money, then you have to get something from receiver. Second is, I think it is must be grand. For when you go, you are coming back. Now question for you, do you think it is grand to come back when you actually want to go? No, I don't think so, because you don't react the goal in that way. B, what does you are mean? What does you are mean? You are is the short form of saying you are. Yes, apostrophe is given, then you have to know about also. Think and answer. You will get question, then you have to answer. First question for you, why is this land called topsy-turvy land? Topsy-turvy means utter confusion or disorder. The things, behaviors, movement and activities in topsy-turvy land are very different from the thing happen around us. They don't make sense to us. So this land is called topsy-turvy land. Second question for you, do you think that a place like topsy-turvy land could exist? Maybe you are thinking somewhere at night, have to go to a school, at day you have to sleep. That means something is different from whatever you are doing your home. Say why? No, I don't think a place like topsy-turvy land could exist. No activities would be possible in such place. no communication and understanding can be developed among people. Now for you, you have to do something in your class. You have to do what I have to do? Discuss in class. How do you think people would behave in topsy-turvy land? Would they follow normal standards of behavior? Would you like to live in a place like this? You have to think, you have to discuss, and then you can think about if you are living in some place when you have to do in the different way, and you face the problem when you are not getting regularity, okay, and somewhere you are getting different types of activities, okay. Now it is over. Hope word meaning, questions answer, and some other questions also, they all are very helpful for you. Thank you. To get notification, you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.